Hi Bookies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing this 7x5 glueless kinky straight 24-inch wig from OQ Hair. Like, get into it. It's giving so pressed. It's giving my hair. It's giving I grew this overnight. Like, get into the fullness. So if you want to see how I achieved this install, keep on watching.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on dub. When I roll 20 deep, it's always drama in the club. Now that I roll with Dre, everybody show me love. When you sell like Eminem, you get plenty of groupie love. Look, homie, ain't nothing changed. Roll down, G's up. I see exhibit in the cutting, man. Roll them trees up. If you watch how I move, you mistake before I play up here. Been hit with a few shells, but I don't walk with a limp. In the hood, in the lady saying 50, you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But holla in New York for show, they tell you I'm loco. And the plan is to put the rap game in the choke. I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind, got a meal out the deal, and I'm still on the grind. Now shorty says she feeling my style, she feeling my flow. A girlfriend, what did they buy, and they ready to go. Find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club.
Hey, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Yeah. She love me so much, it seems like she biased. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to high, for real. 4L steps, ain't stepping on shit till it's quiet. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just eye. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Tell them to open and say, let's do it, let's do it. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it take. Hey, the diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace a frame. Purr, hey, what? Yeah, let's have sex in the night. Breaking and bending the spines, do it, let's do it. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since he signed us, y'all. Niggas be full of excuses after they taking their time, for real, for real.
Whoa, whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, we go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, how is they your ops and none of them died? Yeah, whoa, whoa. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? Testing emojis, eggplant tongue out, muscle went over her head. Catch him outside of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Yeah, let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass, he got hit in the head for far. Ours get undivided attention, I give them my all. How you come over the spot when you know it's your time of the month? Make a diss and see how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. She say she hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole feet, I don't do back ends and fronts.
She see money all around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right.
Pretty gets better than
ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up in around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm coming for the kitty, got my folk got down. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they running for the boy right now. Goddamn, by the time what a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Heard you wanna fuck me now. Heard you wanna love me down. Heard you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Cricket nigga show me something. Nigga like you owe me something. Push it on a pillow like a button. Keep more time for your content. Still getting rowdy in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Yeah, peace. That's our peace. Got her clapping to this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. Bitch, that's just the way I sleep. Fuck that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic with Mackie Levers. Bad bitch, and she's Spanish. I'm fired, I got a muscle. We get nasty, I'm retarded. She know a nigga ain't average. Ain't nothing wrong with big glasses. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, I'm not a hiding girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold right. Oh, no, right.
Money, hold up, gotta, cuddle, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on wanna, come on, holla, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, hop it, sippin' acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, drinking that acorn, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on a refund, bringing that back till I see the sun. I fuck the bitch on the jet, keep him back, get on her neck. She only coming for 6, speed in that bitch.
And this is the final look of the install. Kinky straight. She might be taking it, because baby, this is giving fresh silk press on some natural hair. Nah, Kinky straight might be my new favorite texture. Like, look at this. Oh, get into it. And normally I hate glueless wigs, but this right here, she's a winner in my book. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. All the info for this hair can be found down in the description box below. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this install, honey. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for my next video. Bye.